frustrated when your device won't charge. You're not alone, but those moments are warning signs you can't ignore. They hint at deeper issues with the power delivery systems we rely on every day. Picture this: you're rushing to a meeting, your phone's battery icon flashing red. You plug it in, but the charge barely moves. It's easy to dismiss this as a minor glitch, but that glitch could indicate inefficiencies quietly draining your devices and your patience. Think it's just a faulty charger. Think again. The cords and plugs we use daily can be ticking time bombs. Hidden inefficiencies may lead to overheating, damage, and serious safety risks. Imagine relying on a portable charger during a long trip, only to find it loses power faster than you can say low battery. You're not just losing convenience, you're risking your device's lifespan. This alarming reality is often ignored until it's too late. What about compatibility? Mixing and matching chargers without a second thought could expose your devices to power supplies they can't handle. This dangerous mismatch can create inefficiencies and heat, leading to performance drops and potential device failure. When you bought your latest gadget, did you check the power delivery specifications? That oversight could mean your new tech is far less efficient than it should be, leaving you tethered to a wall outlet more often than necessary. Now, let's raise the stakes. Imagine your laptop dies mid-presentation, and the charger you grab isn't compatible. Panic sets in and you realize you are unprepared. This scenario happens more often than you think. So, what's the solution? Choose your power delivery accessories wisely. Invest in high-quality cables and chargers that meet the latest standards. Your devices deserve the best, and making the right choices now could save you from future headaches. Next time you feel that familiar frustration with your tech, pause and consider the uncomfortable truth behind those inefficiencies. Stay vigilant about how you deliver power to your devices. Your devices and your peace of mind depend on it. Have you ever noticed your device getting unusually hot while charging? If so, you are not alone. This discomfort could signal a much bigger issue. Everyday tech gadgets are quietly asking for help, and the reality behind their power delivery problems might surprise you. Most of us plug in our phones, laptops, and tablets without a second thought. But have you noticed how quickly your battery drains or how your charger seems to struggle? There's a hidden issue lurking beneath the surface. What if the devices we rely on daily are silently draining our energy, both literally and figuratively? When you are in a rush, do you check if your charger is compatible, or do you just grab the first tool you see? This common mistake can lead to inefficiencies you might not even realize, and that's where the real danger lies. Imagine your phone, essential for communication, suddenly slowing down because it's not receiving the right power. You could miss an important call, an urgent message, or even a great opportunity. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a wake-up call that something is off. Let's talk about those frustrating moments when your gadget seems to take forever to charge. What if every minute wasted is a sign of a larger issue? A mismatch in power delivery can lead to overheating, battery damage, or even complete failure. And it's not just about your devices, it reflects our lives too. We crave efficiency, speed, and reliability, yet many of us overlook the small details could make a significant difference. Have you considered how often you replace your gadgets? The costs can add up quickly, and each replacement might be a direct result of these overlooked inefficiencies. How many times have you felt the frustration of a malfunctioning device? But don't lose hope. The solution lies in being more mindful. The next time you reach for that charger, take a moment to consider its compatibility, efficiency, and how it affects your device's health. Every little choice you make in tech creates a ripple effect. It's not just about powering your devices, it's about empowerment. Choose wisely, and you could save yourself from future frustration. So, the next time you plug in, ask yourself, are you really delivering the power your gadgets deserve? Because the uncomfortable truth is, every charge counts. Have you ever been frustrated by how slowly your devices charge? You're definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a bigger issue at play, something beyond just a slow charger? Many of us plug in our gadgets daily, unaware of the uncomfortable truth about power delivery inefficiencies. As technology becomes more integrated into our lives, these inefficiencies quietly cost us time, money, and even the lifespan of our devices. Picture this: you're running late for an important meeting. You grab your phone, plug in, and watch the battery percentage crawl up at a painfully slow pace. In that moment, you realize it's not just your charger, it's how power flows through your device. The cables and chargers you rely on can actually be the problem. Low-quality materials, incorrect wattage, and outdated standards can turn your power source into a bottleneck. Ever wondered why your friend's phone charges faster than yours, even with the same charger? Imagine this: you're in a cafe and someone pulls out a sleek power bank. They plug in their phone and suddenly the screen lights up with a rapid charging icon. You think, what's their secret? But here's the catch: it's not magic, it's all about how energy is delivered. Millions of devices use power inefficiently every day, leading to wasted energy and wasted money. Think about your own gadgets. How many have you replaced sooner than expected? Every time you rush to buy a cheap charger, you could be sealing your device's fate. This concern extends to smart home devices. 2. Smart thermostats, refrigerators, and light bulbs all rely on efficient power delivery. If they are not optimized, they can waste energy and underperform when you need them most.